our order, online order. I just pray they are open. This one that the place is locked. I don't even know. Okay, I think it's open. Thank God.
Hi besties, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tessie Brown. So I just finished washing my hair and I want to apply my oils. Though the oils are not complete, my rosemary oil just got finished yesterday, so I'll be applying just castor oil, coconut oil, and this new argan oil that I bought. I just hope it will work for me because when I was washing my hair I lost a lot of hair. I've tried a lot of oils that they recommended that I've seen online, but I'm still losing hair. So I'll try this argan oil. They said it helps to prevent hair loss. So as I've mixed the oil, I'm going to apply it to my hair, then I'll style my hair. So I asked one of my friends to recommend a restaurant for me that I can go and hang out with my brother. Since he came to this country, we've not gone out together. So she recommended this restaurant that will be going later this evening. So I'm going to style my hair in a natural form though, because I don't have strength to braid and wear wig. I'm going to just tell you what happened to me on Monday. If you've noticed, I've not posted on my YouTube shorts, I've not posted on my TikTok or my Facebook. I've not posted on any platform since Monday because I'm still in shock. For 3 years now I've been in this country. I have felt safe. I can go out in the night, I can go out anytime I want, and nobody will harass me or do anything to me. I used to even write it on my Instagram and Facebook that this country is really safe. Only for me to experience this thing on Monday. I don't think this is personal, and I don't even have any personal beef with anybody because I don't go out. Like, I don't even know who did this to me. So this Monday evening, I went out for my usual walk. This is something I usually do every evening. So I have this particular route I follow. I'll just round and come back home. Nothing serious, just 30-minute walk. Most times I go with my child. But this evening I did not go with my child. I left my child with my husband. So I was on this lonely route where it was just two people that passed me. I saw only two people. There were buildings there, but people were not passing that road. So the first person that passed me was a white lady. Then the second person was still walking from far. It was a white teenage guy. I saw him from far coming. So I stopped my video, the video I was making, and I was going to a place where there is light so that my video will be very clear. Only for this guy to meet up with me. So I just turned to see who was coming from my back, and this guy just poured me pepper spray. This was intentional. This person did not pour me the pepper spray once and just run. He stayed there and poured me the second time. When I started shouting for help, that was when he ran away. Then I saw a white man that was washing his car, and I begged the man for water. The man gave me water. When I washed my face, because pepper spray entered my eye, when I washed my face, it was so painful, like it became very painful. Then I saw a chemist shop close by, and I ran to the shop and told the nurse what happened to me, and she gave me eye drop. She helped me to put the eye drop. After she put the eye drop for me, I gave her my phone password to call my husband. So I told my husband what happened, and he came to the shop. He dropped my baby with someone else and came to the shop. This was really painful. So my husband told me we should go back home since I'm still feeling pain, so that he can call emergency medical care for me. Since the place is close to our house, we came back home, and the eye drop the lady used for me was really effective. My eyes was already open, so I just googled immediately how to dissolve pepper spray, and that was when I saw I can use water, cold water and baby shampoo to rub on the particular area affected, and the pain will stop. So that was what I did. I went to the shower, and I was just using my baby gel to rub on my body, and I used cold water. I stayed like for 15 minutes in the bedroom, and I washed everything out. Then I felt a bit relief, and I went outside our balcony and stand there for a while. And why I'm even grateful is that I was not with my baby, because I cannot imagine this pepper spray touching my baby. A lot of people were telling us that when I had that experience, that was when I was supposed to call emergency medical care, and they will now report the case to the police. Then the police will do their findings. I don't wish this even for my enemy, but I thank God that I'm safe now, and I can even say my story. Thank God for everything. So please, guys, be safe out there. I'm ready to go out now. You like this? But mommy like this one.
Big
You like this one?
car.
Car.
So I'll get you the one you like. Let's get it.
Все хорошо.